Hello friends, hope all of you fine. Welcome to CADCAMCAE tutorials. In this video, we will design these parts. Okay, friends, if you are not subscribed channel, please subscribe channel to get all latest videos. So, while designing these parts, initially we will design this base. After that, we will design this plate. After that, we will design this boss, and finally, we will design this rib. So, we will start one by one. So, just click on this sketch. Click on this face and check the dimensions. So this is of R30 and this is 65. Total length is 65. So just click on rectangle and give this dimensions. So give the total is 65. For that purpose, click on constraint and give this 65. Okay, so select this line, press Ctrl, select this line and select this axis. Go to the constraint defined in dialog box and click on symmetry. Okay, and select this line, press Ctrl, select this axis, go to the constraint defined in dialog box and make it coincidence. Okay, and click on this constraint and give it 60 because this is 60. And finally go to the circle, click on the circle and give the center point and this point. We'll trim this unwanted part. Okay, for that purpose, click on this quick trim, double click on it and delete this, yes, yeah, okay. And if you observe here, tangents is only on one side, so on this side is deleted. So for that purposes, select this circle, press Ctrl, select this line, go to the constraint defined dialog box and give it tangency, click on OK. Yeah, so we have completed this sketch. So after that, just click on this exit workbench. And what is its thickness? Yeah, its thickness is 10. So for that purposes, click on this pad, click on this pad command and give the dimensions 10 because thickness is 10. Okay, we have completed the base plate. Yeah, so next is we will design this plate. If you observe its dimensions, this is 80 overall dimensions, this is 80 and this is also 80 and its thickness is 12, and which is on that side, means which is on this side. Okay, so click on this sketch, click on this face. Yeah, click on fit all in, so it will be fit to your screen. And 80 by 80 is overall dimensions. So go to the center rectangle, take here center rectangle because we have 70 dimensions. So click on the center rectangle and give its axis and click on this constraint, double click on it and give it 80, and this is also 80. Yeah, so that's it. And click on this case line, press Ctrl, click on this axis, go to the constraint defined dialog box and make it coincidence and click on OK. So we have designed a 80 by 80. After that, click on exit workbench, click on the pad and give it 12. Yeah, give it 12. Okay, so next, what is the remaining? Yeah, here is jumper, sorry, here is fillet of R15. So for that purposes, go to the edge fillet and select this line and select this line. Okay, and click on this more. Edge to keep, we don't, because we are going to make this fillet, so we don't want this line, we want only this line. Edge to keep, click on it and select this edge and this edge and check the sprue. What is dimensions? It is of R15. So just click on it, 50. Click on preview. Okay, yeah, so we have completed it. Next is, here is also two fillets of R20. So again click on this edge fillet, give this fillet and give this fillet, and it is R20. So this is we have designed up. After that we will design this boss. For that purposes, just double click on it, click on sketch, click on this face and check these dimensions. Outside diameter is 40 and inside diameter is 25 and height is 30. So just click on the circle, draw one circle, select the circle, press Ctrl, select this circle, constraint dependent dialog box, make it concentricity, okay. Again click on constraint, select the circle and its diameter is 40. So drop down it, select the diameter and click on it 40. And inside is 25. So again click on this circle, give the center point, click here and give it 25. So just double click on it and give it 25. So click on this exit workbench, click on this pad and give it 30. Okay, so like that. Next, what is remaining? This 3B is remaining. And what is dimensions? So this is of R50 and 10. This is 10. So just, and it is on center plane. So just click on this sketch, click on this plane, okay, and draw this arc. So go to the circle toolbars and here is a 3 points arc is available. Click on 3-point arc, draw one 3-point arc and give its dimensions. So it is of R50. Double click on it, give it 50. Okay, so click on this project 3D element, project this line. Okay, so select this point, press Ctrl, select this point, go to the constraint dependent dialog box and make it coincidence. Okay, select this point, press Ctrl, select this point, yeah, and go to the constraint dependent dialog box and make it coincidence. Okay, and we don't want this line, we want only arc, so convert this line into standard or construction element. For that purpose, click on this line and here is option available, construction of standard element, click on it. Yeah, so like that we have to just draw this arc. After that click on this exit workbench. Here is one option we have, it is of stiffener, click on it and it is of 10. So just give this 10. Okay, so it will draw automatically and whatever your problem is, it will resolve automatically. Okay, and final what is remaining, we have two holes of diameter 10, two holes of diameter 10. So for that purpose, click on this hole, click on this face, click on positioning phase, select this point, press Ctrl, then select this, click on constraint dependent dialog box, make it concentricity. Okay, now click on exit workbench and here is instead of blind up to last, and diameter is 10. Click on OK. Okay, and finally is we have to just mirror on this side, so just drop down it and we have hole. Okay, that hole, select this hole and go to the mirror, click on this mirror and give this center plane and click on OK. So like that we have designed these parts in easiest way. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, please share it with your friends, and thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe channel to motivate us. Thank you.